going on, everybody? My name is Ali Shasman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be unboxing the Gillette Labs Heated Razor. Alright everybody, let's get to this unboxing. But before we do that, it comes with one razor, two cartridges, and one charging dock. Looks to be good packaging. So this costs about 200 USD with the package and everything. And you can find it on like GilletteLabs.com. I bought it off Amazon because it had an Amazon Prime and it came within a day or so. Jeez. So this is the world's first heated razor. It's supposed to be awakening your senses with the feeling of a hot towel shave. Wow, very well built. And apparently this is where it gets hot. And it has two levels of adjustable temperature of 109 degrees Fahrenheit and 122 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's take that to the side, put it over here, get started. This is the extra blade. This is the docking station. Oh wow, the docking station is pretty heavy. So it says it's a magnetic docking station, so I'm guessing if it goes like that, it just holds it like that, which is pretty cool. And it has a simple outlet source and your instructions. Yeah, so it's supposed to give you like a soothing warmth. Heats up in less than a second to provide continuous soothing warmth to your skin. It's obviously waterproof, built to completely waterproof for shaving at the sink or in the shower. And this is the starter kit that I bought. So you click it once to turn on. Oh, it's probably no charge. Oh, I wish it was charged. So yeah, basically you click this once and it turns on. It heats up less than a second. You press and hold to change it to the 109 degree, and then you click it twice to change it to 122 degrees. It takes 6 hours for a full charge. And this is where you could, this is the disc over here. It's a flex disc, that technology which allows the unit to swivel side to side along with the flexible head. And this is for the top right here is for precision shaving. So yeah, can't wait to try this out. I'll let you guys know what it thinks on the next video.